Hello,
Uh,
hello Ritik.
Hello, brother.
Yes, brother.
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm, aud- I'm audible.
Yes, hello. Hello.
I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible. Your voice is clear.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Telangana.
Telangana.
Hmm.
Are you student?
No, I'm not a student.
Okay.
Hmm.
Right now
Hmm.
means you are working
No,
any company?
no, I didn't work any company. Now also I do not working in any company.
Okay.
Yes, bro. And you are looking for a job. I think you are completing your graduation. I think.
Yes.
Hmm.
And my communication is very low. That's why I am practicing
Oh,
with you.
yes, 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 true. Yeah.
And what is the purpose
Hmm.
to practicing English in this app?
Why? Because I need English. I need to communicate. So if I want to
For what?
communicate, like I want to start something in 2 3 years business like that kind of thing.
Means
It will.
you want any business?
Now I didn't do anything, but I will definitely do in future. That's why it's very important for that English communication skills are most
You
important.
didn't do, okay, I understand, but I think you didn't say.
Yeah, business means I didn't say. Okay, okay. I'll say simply like real estate or uh, and another thing. I have only one and only thought like real estate. Simple.
Okay,
Mm.
means right now I couldn't say that, but
Mm.
what do you do for living?
Yeah, I didn't do anything, but I do for no. I just go with my parents for work, farming work.
Farming. Okay, you
Mm.
have own farm.
No, I don't have, but we will take rent too.
Okay,
Yes, we
okay,
can.
and
Mm.
which graphs you means?
Yeah, wheat crops means mostly cotton and also rice produce. We will produce
Okay,
rice, normal rice, not basmati rice, only normal rice.
means you have big dream. I think so.
No, no,
That's why
little.
you
Mm.
what? What was?
No, we don't do big. We do only small, small like
But
we have little bit.
because
Mm.
I am means behind, I am say that you didn't say about the our dream to any person. I think you are a very curious and very serious
I
to
don't.
our. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, you tell one thing like you are very curious for learning. I think. And
Hmm.
curious about what you are like. I don't know.
Hmm.
Like I understood like that. Mm,
Okay. So right now, what do you do? Means you are walking on the track.
no. Right now I didn't do anything. Today no work here, and today I am very free. That's why, and I am talking with you.
Today means you wake up every day
Yeah,
early morning.
yeah. Mostly I wake up early morning, like 4 a.m., 5 a.m. It depends on night how much when I sleep, and
Oh
sometimes
yes,
whenever.
it depends on.
Mm, and sometimes I eat very late. Automatically, I get up very late also. If I eat early, and then I will wake up I will wake up early. Simple. Mm,
Wait, wait.
yeah. Okay. Okay.
Huh. Yes, brother.
Mm.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm
Yes.
here.
Yes, it depends upon night.
Yes.
Oh, which time you sleep.
Mostly 10.
Every future, any future say
Hmm.
the see the first past.
Hmm.
Okay, I think any astrologer
Hmm.
asked first what happened in
Hmm.
behind past
Like,
yesterday.
yes, yes.
Yes. Then he guessed what happening in the
Hmm.
future.
Yes.
You understand now what I said?
Yeah, I understood.
Because
All
my
depends
English
on,
is not.
all depends on our past life. Sometimes. Yeah.
And are you married?
Yes. Hello.
Are you married?
No, no, I didn't marry. I'm 19 years old.
10 years old. And right now you're studying?
Right now, study. No, last 2 years back, I completed my intermediate and then I quit my education. So
Okay, you didn't took any admission
no,
like
no, no.
research?
I took, but I didn't go.
Okay, only exam time you
No, no,
went.
no, no. Exams also I don't want to write. That's the reason. And I forget all things. And
Yeah. Our parents didn't shout to you because you didn't take any exam.
yes, that's true. But I try to convince them, and they're convinced now. They're okay. They didn't say anything now.
You are a very interesting guy
Why?
because I am talking with lots of stranger.
Uh,
They every stranger
uh,
anything some doing, yeah, some person studying,
mm,
and but you are a interesting guy. You didn't took any admission. You didn't took any work.
mm,
Sorry, you didn't do any work.
yes.
Yeah. And you easily convince to our parents
Mm,
because right now parents want to degree
yes, yes, yes.
and any work.
Mm,
They because they didn't have any patience
mm,
about our son and daughter.
yes.
They want to like
Mm,
to get means get early success and get married and child and whatever.
mm,
And something happened in India.
yes, yes, yes.
So and some things are very bad in India
Mm,
about parents because
yeah.
parents are forces
Mm.
to they want,
Yeah,
but
what they want, they are.
but sons and daughter child are not wanted like become a doctor. They want another like a sportsman,
Mm,
and that is the thing very bad in India.
yes, yes. So most of the people they don't have freedom to what they want to do. I think.
Yes, yes. And they doing but they not do properly
Mm,
because they parent forces.
yes, yes.
That's why.
Mm.
Wait, brother.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Mm.
Sorry for waiting.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Sometimes it's happen.
You yes. You are 19 years old.
Yes,
Okay, you didn't marry.
yes, of course.
Means you have girlfriend.
No, I don't have.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Why?
You
Because
didn't have.
I will say simply in career starting, if I like that kind of things in career starting, my career is gone. I think some. I think that's true. I think. Yeah. After 25 years, we have one and only work. girlfriend or
No.
marriage or after 25 years we have only that work only. Hmm?
Okay.
Yes. And before,
After 25 years, you
hmm,
get married, I think.
automatically,
That time, yes, automatically means the
automatically,
situation.
automatically parents are forced automatically, I think.
Ah,
Hmm.
yes,
Hmm.
because after 25 years,
Hmm.
you didn't any chances to
Hmm. Not
get
married.
a girlfriend because
Hmm.
I think the
Huh.
college time is the best timing to achieve
Yeah, college
that
time is
time.
best time, but I didn't go to college.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
That's why I'm saying
Yeah,
after
yeah.
25 years, the chances is you will be married.
Hmm. Yes.
Okay, brother. Nice to talk with you. Someone calling me.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Hmm.